In number 27, we want to evaluate the cosine of negative pi over 12. And just like we did in number 26, we worked with this denominator of 12. In 26, we found two angles that added to be 5 pi over 12, but reduced to be special angles in the unit circle. We're going to do the same thing now for negative pi over 12, only we want two angles that subtract. And if you notice, 2 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12 would be negative pi over 12. So we can use those same two angles from number 26. So this is equal to the cosine of 2 pi over 12 minus 3 pi over 12. And when we reduce 2 pi over 12 is pi over 6, 3 pi over 12 is pi over 4. So this equals the cosine of pi over 6 minus pi over 4. So in the sum and difference identities, we're going to use a difference identity for cosine, which is the cosine of the first angle times the cosine of the second, and then plus the sine of the first angle times the sine of the second. And the cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Then the cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, and a plus. Then we want the sine of pi over 6, which is 1/2, and the sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. So root 3 times root 2 is root 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. Then we have 1 times root 2 is root 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. The denominators are the same, so we can combine the numerators, and that would be the cosine of negative pi over 12. So to check this in the calculator, we're going to store our answer, square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 4. We're going to look at that decimal and compare it to the original cosine of negative pi over 12. And our decimals match, so we know that we did it right.